How to save project in CapCut on PC. Saving our CapCut project properly prevents losing hours of editing. So if you don't save it, it may crash or shut down and can wipe everything. So let's do it the right way. So we launch the CapCut application on our computer. First, we may open it up and open up a project that we wanna use or we are working on. So we can just go over and use it up and make up the changes that we want to make up change. And usually CapCut itself automatically saves the changes by default. We do not need to do anything. If it's saved in the project section, usually it won't be removed until you manually delete it yourself. But if you want to save the project really, what we can do is we can just go over and save it by exporting the video instead. So for that, we may look out for this menu option here and click on it, and we can export. If we want to export it using frames, we can do so, or if not this, we can select this option export at the top, and within there we can select up the resolution and the bitrate, the codec format, frame rate, etc., and select this option export and export it up, and that should work out for you. It will be directly saved into your destinated location. Usually you can do so, even click on share option if you want to share it to a different space and create a link and share it, and that's it. But usually if you're trying to save it, CapCut usually saves it by default, so you do not need to do anything. But you can rename the project for going ahead and for easier access. So if you're having a hard time finding the project, you can click on the three dot of the project and click on rename option, and within there you can just go over and rename your particular project that you're trying to save, and that's it. And that's it. Now our CapCut project is now saved safely on our PC. This is how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.